Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking down essentials that immediately raise your baseline. Hydrate, aim for 7-9 hours of sleep, and eat a protein-rich breakfast. These change skin, eyes, and posture. Once done, do a focused 5-minute grooming sweep: hair, face, teeth, and a light moisturizer. Pick one outfit focal piece, a shirt, jacket, or accessory, and make sure it fits. This gives you structure. These first steps set visible confidence, which is why you start here rather than later. Now you construct the look and tune nonverbal signals. Focus on posture, shoulders back, chest open, and take 2 to 3 deep breaths to settle your expression. Posture changes perceived attractiveness instantly. Make small style choices: minimal fragrance applied to pulse points, matching belt and shoes, and clean or polished visible surfaces. Tackle hair with a quick product or comb through and check under natural light. Once done, adjust any wrinkles. These layered tweaks refine how others register you. Finish by validating the whole package with deliberate micro-checks. In 60 seconds, you confirm smile, eye contact, hair, and any lint or tags. Small details read as care. Do a 30-second power pose and set a clear intention, what you want to project, because mindset informs movement. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot fast. Blot oil, reapply a tiny product, or swap one item, shoes or accessory, rather than overfixing. Maintain calm. A small, confident correction restores the impression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.